Hello, I want to show you how to organize your files or projects or anything on Google Drive. So first, you're obviously gonna have your files messy and stuff. So to organize, the first step to do is to make folders. You should make a folder and name them something you're gonna remember for like a broad statement. So like say school assignments. And then you're able to put certain things into there. So like here you could put like English essay, your project, and maybe another project to school assignments. And you can make as many folders as you want, as many as you need. So like here we can make another folder. Say we can name it at home. And you could like put like random stuff that you do at home into that folder. So look, it's pretty clear now and it looks way nicer. And you can even organize more inside the folder. So you can make more files inside the folder. So if you want to organize your school assignments, so like um, this is English, this is science, and let's say this is math. And we're able to put them all into our folders. And as you can see, we have the assignments inside the folders and it's way more organized. And that's pretty much it. That's how you organize Google Drives. Thank you for your time.